So guys, for the first method, you want to click on your file or your folder one time, left click on it one time, which will now highlight it. As your file or your folder is now highlighted, now you want to click on escape on your keyboard. Now try to drag and drop it. It should be working now. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete all those scans, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.